One of my close audiophile friend, Mr. Sagnik Biswas, has sent me a few earphones. He wanted my opinion on them, and here we are. We are looking at AKG N30. This retailed for they usually retail for around $200, but in special sales, AKG themselves sell these earphones for a very cheap price of around $60. These have single dynamic driver, single BA configuration. The next one is ISN D2. These are retailing for $70 and have a single dynamic driver. I believe those dynamic drivers are easily visible. Come on, yeah, you guys can see that's a single dynamic driver, and we will talk about other things in a minute. The next one is AKG N40. These are the asking price is around $400, but they retailed for around 150 $160 in sale, I believe, and these are good sounding earphones. Let's start with the AKG N30. This is the stock cables. The cable is externally covered with some sleeves, and that is really nice. They protect the cable from any kind of damage and everything, and these are good sounding earphones. I will not say these are bad sounding earphones, but for $60, these are okay at best. The bass is on the heavier side, but nothing else is really balanced with the bass. You cannot say that the mids are leveled with the bass. The treble is kind of drowned. I'll have to say it is just a slide from the lower to upper region. They start losing energy just after the base region, and it goes on till the end, and that is kind of a bad thing, good thing. That depends upon what you want from the earphone. If you want a fun sounding earphone, a bass heavy kind of signature, these are good. They are not bad by any means. Now moving on to the D2. Now the best thing about these IEMs are the semi-custom type shell. As you guys can see, these are very good looking earphones for $70, and the cable is really good. These are excellent cables. Excellent looking cable for $70. Very premium kind of feel to the cables. They are supple. There is no cable guide in here, and that is a win-win situation for anyone. For $70, this look excellent. Now moving on to the sound quality, the bass is not very exaggerated. The mids are slightly forward. The treble is there. They are not very energetic or aggressive anywhere, but there is a bit of uh, floor mud, I'll have to say, and where the notes are coming out of. There are a bit of busyness. You will not be able to separate the notes at their base. They're not very separable, but it's you cannot really ask for something critical or really technical from a $70 earphone. These are good for the price. I will not say pick this over others, but yeah, these are good. D2 is ISN D2 is not bad. There is a switch too. I'll try what the switch does, but I do not think that will make it sound more detailed or anything. But yeah, there's a switch. You guys can obviously try that. This is a good sounding earphone. Of these three, I found this to be a bit more balanced, a bit more recommendable than anything else. These are good looking earphones nevertheless. Now moving on to the N40. This is not the stock cable, but the N40 is a interesting sounding earphone. There isn't anything bad about them, but the triple B single dynamic driver earphone is not exactly very detailed, to be precise. The H40 is better than N40. These are good. I will not say these are bad by any means, but these are not excellent for sure. These are good at best. The bass is less boomy, a bit more balanced than the N30, but these do not have a lot of details. If you feel that you want details and you do not want to sacrifice on bass either, there are other options. You can opt for much better earphones than this. This retailed for $150 in sale, I believe. But still, then at 150, you can obviously get better options from Chi-Fi brands than this. These are not bad. Let me tell you, these are not bad, but they do not have that kind of micro details. The bass is good, the mids are okay. Thankfully they are not sharp like H40. H40 was slightly on the sharper side, which is a saving grace for this N40s, but there isn't any wow factor or something that you hear and you feel that, yeah, this is excellent. There isn't anything like that. These are good. I will not say these are bad, but these are not really wowing me from any direction. These are good at best. There isn't anything special, or I'll go out of my way to recommend this. There isn't anything about this. This do not have that kind of stage either. You feel that most of the stage is present inside your head. They are not thrown, the cues are not placed much more further than you from your head. It's okay. The stage is okay. There isn't anything very good about this. Stage of the D2 is very average. There isn't anything uh, out of your head. I would like to use a word at all, but yeah, there is a bit out of your head, but there isn't much out of your head. So it is very average for this price. The N30 do not have much stage to talk about either. All of these earphones have good amount of stage height and width, but most of the instruments are placed very close to the head or mostly inside the head. So there isn't anything exciting about this. Now, if you guys would like me to compare this with something else, do let me know. I'll make a video. I'll not be keeping this for long. So if you guys have any request, if you want me to compare it with something that I have worked on, let me know. I'll let you guys know about that. If you have questions, ask me. If you want me to make a video with something else, then feel free to make requests. So thank you. I think I covered most of the things. There isn't anything to show you here. These are the cases. If anything else, these are the cases. These are very good looking cases, slightly on the smaller side, but this look nice. I do not find this to be any I do not find this to be small or large or anything. These are not uncomfortable. You can place this in your pockets without thinking twice. So this is small, handy. You can carry this. This is not very small, but still you can carry this without much problem. These are very good cases, long cases, slightly longer, but still comfortable. I will not say these are uncomfortable or anything. Good carry pouches. Should have good amount of accessories too. Okay, so these have nozzles. This AKG earphones have nozzles, but I will not go in details about them. These nozzles are not really intriguing to me. I do not feel intrigued by these nozzles, but yeah, This come with nozzles nevertheless. Reference sound, bass boost, does not matter really. I'm not really buying those things, so yeah, it's not necessary. Nevertheless, that is it. If you want me to compare something with something else, do let me know. Thank you for watching. It's already 10 minutes long, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.